Well, here we go. Got a new board in the back, and I'm heading out singing a song. Picked up a 9.0 Sunshine CC Rider yesterday. Drove 40 miles one way to get it. It's in near mint condition. I'll show it to you later in this video. So yeah, I'm gonna go to the beach, paddle it out. There's no waves, but I'm gonna wax it up, paddle it out, and yeah, CC Rider 9.0. Well, here we are. Like I said, there aren't any waves. Pretty flat. That's summer water for us. It could be like that for weeks. We hope not, but it could be just like that. Beautiful day though. Beautiful day in the neighborhood, beautiful day to be on the beach, that's for sure. You'll notice the crowd. Yep, that's why I'm here. When I'm here is because that's what it looks like when I'm here. Yeah, it's flat out there. You could say it's flat, you wouldn't be lying. That's what it is. But that's okay. We got a new board. I'll unpack it and show it to you. You're gonna like it. I think you're gonna like it. Well, there it is. Oh no, that ain't it. That didn't do you a bit of good, does it? Let's get it out of that bag. How about that? Whoa, that's a pretty nice looking board there, Mike. Yes, sir. That's a nice looking board. That's a 9.0 Sunshine CC Rider. And it was shaped by Claude Codgen. And it's even signed right there on the stringer by Claude. Claude Codgen. That's where we get the name from, CC Rider. CC Rider, Claude Codgen. Claude Codgen started the Sunshine Surfboard Company. I think it was in 1970 or thereabouts. Cocoa Beach, Florida. He was a recognized and celebrated champion surfer on the East Coast in the 60s. He even got invited to the Duke Invitational at Sunset Beach. I think that was in 66. But he designed this CC Rider about that time. I had a CC Rider back in 1976 that was about 10 feet long, but it was made by the Codgen company. And this is made by Claude Codgen down in Cocoa Beach. I contacted Claude after I got this board and shared the serial number with him, and he said it was probably shaped 6 or 7 years ago. So that's a 6 or 7 year old board. That's hard to believe, isn't it? Looks brand new, doesn't it? Yes, it does. So we're going to wax it up and paddle it. This is the 4th CC rider I've owned over the years. And I am really happy to have this board. Got it for a really, really good deal. Very thankful.